Urhobo ado, isokwa ado, orere eje inyole. Mani miyagwario. Yeah. Okay, my name is Onuchukwemeka Sanwe. I am from Ebonyi State, and I was born and raised in Ughelli North, Delta State. So today, I'll be giving an adage. Edenone, Nike brise Urhobo. I'll be giving two adage, and I'll be telling you the meaning. Remember, I said I'm an Igbo boy, but I was born and raised in Ughelli North Delta State, and my Igbo name is Chukwuemeka. Then my Urhobo name is Ogene Runo. So the first which is the adage that I will be saying today is Agbokwo di magi fokidie oborijewe eworue, which means you don't force someone to do what pleases you. It is actually what pleases the person, you allow the person to do. Then the second adage says, okay, the second adage says, Ibie diro sheeri, yorare, which means the palm kernel that falls inside the red oil actually went to its house. Yeah.